Mga salitang binitawan netong import ng Magnolia matapos nga silang matalo dito sa game number 5 ng kanilang serye kalaban ng San Miguel. Yan matapos mang ilike ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Pero bago natin simulan, alam mo ba ngayon mas madali nang maglaro at manalo dito sa 1xBet? Especially na pwede ka nang mag-cash in at mag-cash out through GCash. Kaya naman i-click lamang etong link na nasa comment section ng ating video at gamitin ang promo code na BGS2 upang makasali. Isama pa natin na pwede mo na rin i-download etong kanilang official app para sa mas malalaking papremyo na nag-aantay sa'yo. Kahapon nga mga bularo, matapos ang 2 straight losses ng San Miguel kontra Magnolia, sa wakas ay muling nagawa ng Beermen na makaisa dito sa kanilang serye. Matapos nilang tapusin ang laban na lamang ng 10 puntos, 108-98. Kung saan dyan, kahit na limitadong mga numero lang itong nakana ni Boatwright, nagawa pa rin ng serbesa na may panalo ang nasabing tapatan. After pumutok na itong si Cruz, matapos makapagtala ng 30 puntos, 8 rebounds at 4 na assist.
Well, binibigay talaga nila yung labas eh. So for me, kailangan talaga i-hit yun. Kasi kung hindi namin masushoot yung labas, sisikip yung game namin. So para sa akin, I've been working in practice. Sabi ko, mas na kinik out sa akin, talagang titira ko eh. So it's more of just being confident lang. Katulad niya nung sinabi ko ng mga last, nandito ako, pag masama yung laro ng isa, there's always one person that's man up. No? So yun ang ginagawa namin, talagang once we're given a chance to play in the court, talagang we just have to provide.
Samantala sa kabilang banda, ngayon nga na naman ang SMB sa nasabing serye, paniguradong kabado na ang ilang Magnolia fans, especially na 1 win away na lang bago magkampiyon ng Beermen. Kaya naman dahil dito, di nga nakapagpigil ang media na hinga ng opinyon itong import ng hotshots regarding sa kanilang pagkatalo kagabi.
It was very tough. I mean, we lost, so we just gotta take stuff personal. We can't let guys, go off at 30. We gotta respect everybody on their team. I mean, they're a great team, so I just feel like we didn't respect them today, and that was our problem. No pressure. I mean, we're just gonna come out and do what we did. I mean, last 2 games before this one, I feel good. I mean, I feel good about this conference, bro. I mean, we came down 0-2. We could do it again. We can win 2 more games. Why not? We're a great team, man. I'm not really. I don't feel like our backs are against the wall. Obviously, we're down 1. They got 1 more game to go, but I feel like I believe in this team. I believe in the coaching staff, and I believe in myself as well. So, pretty comfortable.